Do you have to return call in the middle of a squat, burpee and jumping jacks?
I am done with burpee jumping.
तो आपकी क्यों आवाज ऐसे आ रही है जैसे आप तोरा बोरा के केव्स में हैं?
I don't know where this थोड़ा फोड़ा is, but okay.
It's okay.
चलो बोलो यार, कल की देखने गई थी आप? कल की?
I don't know what that means and इतना excitement आपको क्यों हो रहा है हम यही नहीं समझ पा रहे हैं.
Because I never thought you would.
But what Kalki? I am not watching any Kalki.
You said na yesterday you went to watch Kalki.
ये हमने कब बोला? चलो इसका इतना nonsense. I am sick and tired.
Open your WhatsApp. I said please pick up. You said Kalki. So you are watching na Kalki.
Because you have sent the GIF of Prabhas, so I have written Kalki.
That is not Prabhas. That is DJ Babu. I mean Mahesh Babu.
DJ
That is not Prabhas. Andhe.
चलो वो नहीं भी है प्रभास, so हमने कल्की लिख दिया, मतलब आई एम वाचिंग कल्की.
Obviously, if I write Titanic, meaning I'm watching Titanic, right?
No, I
Titanic में बैठे तो है नहीं हम.
No, maybe because I have sent the GIF of Celine Dion, so you are just saying Titanic.
I will never do that. That kind of confusion and chaos I don't cause.
चलो खैर यार बोलो why the चलो you have watched Kalki AD 1928.
It's really not AD 1928. It's 2898. गलत सलत यार आप बोल रही हैं.
सॉरी, हमें माफ कर दीजिए कि हमसे कल्की का साल हमसे गलत हो गई है डेट्स. You will watch Kalki 1928 AD plus
2898.
Okay, you will watch.
नहीं.
क्यों?
I'm not interested.
That's because you are a racist.
अरे यार.
That is what you are.
चलो what I did.
What you did, I don't know, but that is what you are.
Chalo, I don't want to watch Kalki. Like many other people in this world, they are all racist.
Yes, because everyone is saying Kalki is great. Kalki.
Literally nobody said that.
Chalo. Everyone is saying Kalki is a great movie.
Who said this?
Every reviewer in the whole world.
Shadu, just so you know, Prabhas is not great actor. Okay? As much as people are trying to force him down our throats, he is really not good.
फिर इनका रेसिज्म आया, फिर आया.
अरे, but he is really not good.
He is Bahubali. That is all anybody cares.
Bahubali also had no expression. वो उसके खंजर भी भुग गया तो भी no expression. Prabhas cannot act, yaar. He is just overrated.
Wow, it is going from bad to worse.
It's a fact, no.
I don't know, yaar. I'm not a big fan of the guy anyways.
अच्छा ऐसा तो लगा नहीं आप जिस तरह से उसको डिफेंस मोड में कूद गई.
No, he was in defense mode because he has fan following.
तो आप तो नहीं है उस फॉलोइंग में.
I am not fan, but I am just saying because he has very aggressive fans.
Of course, the worse the actor is, the more aggressive fan has to be.
Yes, like Bhai.
Yes, exactly.
But I am part of Bhai fan following.
I can tell.
अरे यार, I'm sure Bhai will come back with a bang. I'm just waiting.
He will never come back.
क्यों?
He really will not.
इनको पता नहीं क्या नफरत है. Did you watch Tiger 3?
नहीं, हमने 1-2 भी नहीं देखी.
Yeah, you are a real loser, yeah. In the first one, he is just introducing the character. In the second one, he has rescued nurse from Iran, from Taliban.
अरे हट यार. That is Katrina, I guess. That is nurse.
No, Katrina is raw agent. No, she is Pakistani agent.
Oh, okay. She is raw. ISI.
She is ISI and Bhai is raw.
And Prem.
He is not Prem, he is Tiger. चलो, पिक्चर का नाम टाइगर है.
प्रेम.
नहीं.
प्रेम.
ओ मेरी दिलरुबा.
चुप है. पागल. चलो बोलो, आर यू गोइंग टू वॉच कल्कि?
Obviously not.
अच्छा, आप तो कह रही थी it is full of fan following appreciations.
Yes, because everyone has been saying it is great movie, so I thought must be great. It looks very much like those. गाएं आप, गा लें पहले आप.
Yes.
नहीं करेंगे.
Wrong. I am wrong. नहीं.
नहीं, कंटिन्यू. मेरा प्यार तेरा कुछ कर नहीं थी आप. नहीं, करिए आप तो करना पड़ेगा.
Done.
हो गया?
Yes.
अब बढ़ जाए हम आगे.
Yes, you were saying.
I forgot आपका ये सब के बीच में I forgot.
You were talking about Kalki being appreciation.
I am saying Kalki has everything I don't like. First starting with Prabhas.
Chalo, continue.
Prabhas number 1. Second, this sci-fi generally I am not a big fan. Third, this blend of sci-fi with Indian mythology also not a big fan. So overall the movie doesn't work for me, I believe.
But Deepika fan you are.
Deepu is great, but how much time is Deepu? I would love to see Disha Patni also.
In Kalki.
नहीं, हमारे घर की छत पे.
तो कल्कि में क्या कर रही होगी आपकी दिशा पटनी? She is what exactly is her role?
She is the love interest of Kalki. इससे ज्यादा अब I don't know how much bigger she can be. What else she can do to impress you? I'm really not sure.
I really don't think Kalki Maharaj will want to have a love interest. Kalki is coming is to save the end of the earth in Kali Yuga.
चलो.
That is the point.
Kalki is a Hindu god. Vishnu is said to have descended on earth to protect the world from evil. Vishnu's की wife is who?
Lakshmi ji.
Well then, Disha Patni is Lakshmi.
I really know, but he also doesn't want to see. I thought he is Prabhas fan also.
He is not Prabhas fan. If you tell him that, he will be very upset.
जिस तरह से आप कूदी थी, I thought either one of you must be.
चलो, your pati is a Prabhas fan?
No, हम नहीं कूदे ना.
Let's see the plot. It's about Kurukshetra war.
Yes, obviously.
In 3102 BC. Chalo, where are these numbers coming from? Kalki is a happy-go-lucky guy.
अरे यार काटो इस कॉल को काट.
Chalo, I cannot make this up. In a dystopian society, fertile female refugees in Kasi are forcibly taken to complex for Project K, which is Kalki, I'm assuming.
I see.
And then she will give birth to Kalki. Kalki is like the modern day or AD version of Vishnu, and he will have to defeat Ashwathama. But first he has to realize his purpose. Now, usually they are all happy-go-lucky guys. Till something will help them realize purpose. Most likely that will be an aurat.
This is AD or BC?
Does it matter?
Yes, because Ashwathama you are defeating must be BC only, right?
No, la, must be some version of him, no. What? I don't know. I really don't know, yaar.
अरे यार.
Okay, Prabhas has a dual role. So Amitabh Bachchan is Ashwathama, the son of sage warrior Dronacharya. Okay, Kamala Hassan is Supreme Yaskin. I don't know what that is. Then there is Prabhas is in a dual role. He is Bhairav, the happy-go-lucky bounty hunter, and he is Karna, which is Karan, an ancient sun elemental archer and warrior, who was allied with the Kauravas and a fierce rival to the Pandav Arjun. Deepika is Sumati. Mother.
I really don't care, yaar. I really, as you can see, I'm singing.
Everyone is something, but Disha Patani is Roxy.
She is not in the movie.
अरे she's चलो इन्होंने ना ट्रेलर देखा है इन्होंने ना गाने सुनी. I'm sick and tired of you यार.
आपने ये सब कर लिया already? Wow.
Yes, because the movie is everywhere. ओ मेरे जाने जान
तो दिल के करीब है.
हो गया.
प्रेम प्रेम India won World Cup.
Yes, that also you have problem with, I'm sure.
No, they did Hurdangi here in Wembley.
अरे यार. Okay, this is normal at this point.
They started climbing the bus stops and started putting the Indian flag on things. I'm like,
when it came in my feed that they have won, firstly I didn't even know because I've stopped caring. But I don't get it. They're saying this is first victory after 17 years. And how can it be? How it can be? ये सांसें लेने से कुछ नहीं होगा. How it can be?
I really don't know.
I don't know because they are constantly winning something, one-day championship and tour of West Indies, so tour of Australia and T20 one-day cup and 120 3-day cup. I don't know.
All I know is they did Hurdangi in Wembley.
ये Wembley से आगे ही नहीं बढ़ पा रही हैं. It's called happiness.
तो उसके लिए आप
Yes, it is intense happiness.
लेकिन वो तो इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम ने जीता है, तूने क्या जीता?
Yes, they will take a tube and go back home.
Exactly. तो ऐसा क्या इतनी खुशी? Oh my God.
अरे it's a sporting thing यार.
No, I get it. It's when the British people, they are watching the Euros and they are doing hurdangi and ladai in different countries. Nobody likes that. And more because the world is racist. If Indians do that, even worse.
Yes, but right now Indians are so everywhere na.
You may be everywhere, but people still don't like us.
That is so there. I think Indians have reached a point where they are like हमें फर्क पड़ ही नहीं रहा है, हम अपना गाना बजा के नाचेंगे.
I guess.
They are done being oppressed. They have
Really?
bursted into the scene and how?
How?
Yep, it's a way to say na and how.
Oh, but how?
They really don't care. They are like
Oh,
हाँ,
मेरी
ठीक है.
जाने जा।
अरे यार ये कब तक आपका चलो ये पूरे दिन आ जाएंगी.
अब ये हमारे दिमाग में फंस गया है गाना. Cannot do anything.
Do you like disturbing movies?
Yes.
Watch this movie called Amis.
Amis.
A
Pakistani movie.
No. What do you think?
I don't know. Sounds like.
चलो, what would Amis even mean in Urdu? चलो इनका सुने आप.
Sounds like an Urdu word, but do tell.
How does Amis sound Urdu?
अरे, I've heard of this movie, यार.
चलो, तो you've heard of
I
it.
don't think I can eat it. I don't think I can watch it.
Eat?
It's about eating, right?
Okay. But why you cannot? You just said na you to like disturb.
Yes, but I don't like goresome.
It's not gore.
It's not gore.
It's not gora.
It's not gore.
It's not gore. It's disturbing for sure.
Do you have Z5?
Your account, yes.
Andha Gharam.
I don't know what that means, but good to know, I think.
It's supposed to be a horror.
चलो हम गूगल करें. अंधागाराम is what? Which language?
I don't know. It just came up.
अरे नहीं यार, I think we started watching and we didn't get it.
What is it about?
I forgot because it was that unmemorable. Why don't you just watch this one? जिसका गाना गा गा के हमारा दिमाग खराब कर रही हैं आप.
I love this movie. Tiger.
There's some movie called Irul.
Yes. I've heard.
Albert.
I have heard. Behre. Okay, I'm home.
प्रेम.
चुप रहो. I'm home. चुप रहो.
You are home मतलब हम अपना गाना बीच में काट दें.
हो सके तो ना ही गाएं. वो भी रहता है इस घर में.
प्रेम.
चुप रहो.
प्रेम. I don't understand. वो घर पे है तो means what?
Means ऐसे मत करो.
Why? क्या हो चलो. What's the worst that could happen?
आपकी बेइज्जती.
That is no biggie.
Saws.
Okay, hang up the bloody phone.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
आपसे नहीं कह रहे थे. आपने हमको ऐसा दिया क्या जो हम थैंक्स बोलेंगे?
Cut this call right away. Immediately.
क्यों?
अरे I have to go and eat. My curd rice is getting hot.
It's getting hot.
Yes, I take it out of the fridge and I eat it. अब वो गरम हो रहा है आपके चक्कर में.
Okay, go.
Okay, टाटा रू पुपु बोलो.
Popo.
Cutting ah?
काटो.
टाटा.
हाँ, काटो.
Wow, quite frustrated.
काटो.